afternoon, Wolfpack. How's everybody doing today? How you guys all doing? Let's wait for some people to get in here, and we'll get set up. Everything's set up here. I'm just gonna set up a couple my other account here. I'm just gonna put it over onto Facebook. Just give me a minute here, guys. Can you guys hear me all? Can you hear the audio and all that and see me clear? I just get that out of the way here, and I'll turn this light down a bit here. There we go, a little bit. I'm just asking that because I moved my camera around, and I just wanted to. I haven't had time to do a test run on it first, so I just wanted to make sure. Okay, so I'm gonna do that while you guys get back to me on that question there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over to good old Facebookage. Okay, guys. Can you guys hear me all right? I just haven't got any sign back. Okay, I'll just type that out there, just because there's a bit of a delay here. Okay, guys, I'm almost set up here, and we'll get going here. Right on. Okay, so let's do some postage here. I usually have this stuff set up ahead of time, guys. It's just that I haven't had a chance to do it. Like I said, I've been really busy today, guys. Perfect. B-Ghost, thank you, brother. Thanks, my friend. Okay. Almost done. Almost done. So, talk to me. What'd you guys do on the weekend for Friday? How was your day? How was your Saturday? Actually, during the day. The day's already over. Wow, this Facebook thing's sure changed. It's crazy, man. Crazy stuff. It's hard to work my way around here now. It's like totally changed. It's weird. Okay. Wow, cool. Right on, right on. Oh, is somebody sick? Okay, guys. Yeah. Cool. So, anyways, let's jump on in there. Let's get in here and do this. Let's do this, guys. Okay, thanks for bearing with me on that. Okay, let's pull up everything. Let's pull back up our stuff here. Okay. Here we go. Christopher. I just jump on here the first thing I see. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the top here, my friends. That is the top. Okay, good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Wow. You can tell how often we should do this more. JP, Christopher, Alina, Gloria. Be Ghost. Glock. Oh, yeah, right on. There's a good group of people here. Warren. Right on. I hope you guys are having a good night, man. Proud. Oh, right on. Cool. We got a good group. We got the good group here. Jonathan. Hey, JP, what time do you air tonight? Is it tonight's your bar night too, right? It's 8 p.m. in Ontario. Yeah, I guess all over. It's different everywhere. Sanjay. Thanks, brother. Thanks, everybody. The loudest guys. Right on. Cool. Thanks for getting out. No cap. I'm just going through the names here, and then I'll go through. I'll go back and answer your guys' questions. Wow, right on. Wow, you guys have been Richard. Okay, let's go through some questions here. Yeah, crypto is definitely having a downpull, right? Now's when you guys now's when you guys start making some money, right? Not if you hold. I'm talking like buy, right? I gave you guys heads up on this. I told you guys it was gonna happen. And this is nothing, okay? Just so you're aware of it, this is nothing. It's probably going to go down twice as much. I'm not saying now, but before the thing squeezes, we're going to have a big downpull. If we see, we get little hints. When you see crypto diving down like that, if you're holding it, obviously it's not a good thing. It doesn't look good. But crypto is one of the things that's going to give us a hint when the squeeze is going to be close, okay? I'm not saying that it is close, but it could be getting close, okay? Because that's the first thing that they're going to liquidate is their crypto. A lot of people, okay, to cover their positions. Just because of how easy it is to sell, there's less questions asked about it. You can, it is what it is, right? It's very easy to move around the market, right? Okay. Samuel. My belt membership. There you go. Yeah, see, that's the best thing you can do. It's not like a financial advice, obviously, but the best thing you can do is if you're in on a play, take advantage of these situations, like Gloria there. And that's obviously if you have the funds and stuff. Don't over leverage yourself. Okay. Don't put yourself into a bad situation. My rule I stand beside and behind is that if you're upset about a play and you're not 100% positive in it, don't get pissed off and double down on it just to get your average, a better average, right? Because if you don't really believe in it, it's just going to hurt twice as much, okay? You have to really believe in what you're doing. Did they really get call? Samuel, what do you mean by that, my friend? I'm just going to maybe something else happened up. We need Sanjay live. Okay, we Tess had something come up. He couldn't come on live tonight. I got, damn, that's bright. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna adjust this screen here. So I got if he wants to, or does somebody else want to come on live with me later on? You just got to log on to Google Meet through our account there, And what I'll do is anybody that's on the chat bar that has been on the channel, I'm sorry I can't put new people on that are just joining the last couple days. It's not fair to the rest of the subs that have been on and helped build this channel. But yeah, I could I'll definitely put you guys on, and you can just talk and we can just hang out and stuff like that. It is what it is. It's pretty easy to do now. I've installed some new software. Just make sure that you guys have your device plugged into a set of headphones, or you have some gaming gear on or something like that. And essentially what I'm trying to get to is separate your speaker from your mic, okay? Because you will pull a camera in, okay? And I'm not saying that it might not have, we might have, I haven't tested this out yet, right? I haven't had a chance to, but I'm pretty good. Oh, live, not alive, okay. No, but I'm asking you, Sanjay. Do you want to come on live, my friend? And sorry, JP, I didn't get to... Oh, margin call. Okay. Just the way it was worded. And it's up to... It's whoever, right? You guys can pick it out. And we can always put a couple different people on tonight, too. So what I'm going to do, my friends... is I definitely got to go get a drink. Sorry, JP, I'm just learning. I asked you a question. I don't know if I just don't want you to answer twice. Is your bar on tonight? Just give me a thumbs up, yay or nay. Sorry, I just wanted to know that because what we can do is we can stream it to you. We can take your stream, and what we can do is patch it over to here and put your whole channel up on here, man. If you want, it's up to you, bro. Actually, maybe, I don't know. I don't know if you could, that might explode your channel. Well, it'll probably explode your channel on you, eh? Just so you know. If you're prepared for that, like, just be prepared. You're probably going to whack fucking subs into your channel, okay? Because it just exposes you, and then YouTube notices that too on their algorithm, right? It is what it is. No pressure. Oh, did somebody just make a donation? Oh, thank you, Williams. Thank you. Wow, that is dope, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow. That's awesome, man. That totally caught me off. I wasn't expecting that. Native Gamers here too. So yeah, what I'll do is, there you go. You got advertisements for your business. I just put it up on the ticker. So that'll stay on there forever on our channel. Okay. For this episode, you're up right up top there, brother. I just hit authorization. So there you go, my friend. Your pizza place, is it called Chicago Pizza? Is that the actual name of it? If it is, you just got free advertisement worldwide, man. Because as you know, YouTube's converted into every language. Not that we get to everybody, but they can. It's out there if they want to click on it. You know that. Okay. Yeah, blow up like AMC. Yeah, no doubt, JP. It's up to you, brother. What it will happen, Native Gamer. What will happen is we could. We'll just do a test run. Like, see, this isn't. We're not on doing stock charts. So if we take a little bit of fucking around here, trying to get it like sunk a little bit, don't worry about that shit, man. If you want to do it, I don't. It doesn't matter to me, man. We're on here. We're not under pressure, the market and all that. We're out here having fun, man. Ha, Samuel. Guys, tell him what it. Sorry, I'm not laughing at you. I'm not laughing at you at all. It's just you're fucking. That's awesome. Awesome, man. Awesome. I'm glad that you guys are still thinking about that shit. I gotta get rid of this screen here. Let's put this freaking thing dark here. I put it, just downloaded software so I could do that. How do you like that? So, anyways, Bob, Aaron, good, right on, guys, right on. I like seeing newcomers come in. I did put a thing out. We're all prepared for that. Because we're a really tight group here, like it's family. So welcome to the family. And we're gonna probably see some people coming in from all over, because I just did a huge post on my Facebook group about it, and I usually don't expose us like that. But what I did was I hit it like hard, and I fucking turboed it too. I put a booster on it, so it is what it is. And that channel's huge, so you look like a ghost. I know I had to dumb it down a bit, man. It just got crazy there. It still is like that. Is that better, my friends? There you go, a little bit. Yeah, I'm really not that white, eh? So, Aaron, we're gonna see something. We're gonna see when one of these things rip, okay, and most likely GME and AIM, they're still the highlights, right? But when we see that, we're gonna see tailwind, okay? So we're gonna see a tailwind, and then what we're gonna do, that tailwind is only gonna be for a little bit, okay? And then when we start seeing the crest, right? The crest on I'm gonna use AMC, okay? We're gonna see it go up like this. And then bang, it's going to go up. It's going to be a double-edged sword, okay? And the reason why I say that, it's going to go up, and then it's going to crest. You're going to have that crest of like, it's not going to be that long, and then it's going to drop. It's going to drop lots, okay? But don't worry. That drop happens on every squeeze. And to hit it at the top, don't worry about it. Nobody's hitting it at the top, okay? At that very crest, it's almost impossible. So when it hit, it'll go up like this, and then it'll drop like this, and then it'll start going like this, okay? And then it'll probably never hit that peak again, that actual peak, okay, guys? You guys know that stuff on the channel. But I know that a couple of you are new, so if you do want to actually get some real data on that, most of the subs here have seen it. If you go to the front of our channel, it's not my channel, it's the community's channel. If you go there, Volkswagen squeeze is right there. Okay, right on the front page, and it's a live blast there, okay? And you can see how it jumps. Like they're 5-minute candles, I think they are, sticks, actually, to be correct. Yeah, they are 5s. Within 5-minute increments, it goes $400, $600 in 5-minute sweeps. Boom, 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 like this. And what it is times that by 10, okay, for AMC. So when I say times that by 10, like I can't talk numbers on here. You guys know that, the actual numbers, but I can talk about the gist of it. So when I say like 400, okay, times it by 10, that's $4,000, okay? So that's how the sweeps are going to go. We're going to see $800 to $1,000 pushes. Okay, you know how stocks go like this? That's what we're going to see, okay? So I'd say be prepared for it, but we are prepared, okay? As much prepared as you can get. And I want to say thank you guys for, yeah, Jade, that's what I'm trying to, you caught it, bro. You fucking nailed it, man. You're a smart man, okay? You nailed that, dude. I threw that out there to see if somebody would pick on that. You caught that right away. You fucking blew me away, man. That's what I'm trying to say is, if you look at the history, the Volkswagen squeeze 2008, okay? October. It was not planned. Yes, some people knew about the potentials, okay, of what it could do. It's just like now. Nobody's expecting AMC to rip, okay? They're not. They've been put off so much that I'm just not saying it's going to, but it'll be hit when we're not expecting it one morning, okay? Same as the Volkswagen squeeze. They never expected it. They knew its potential there. Yes, they did, okay? They caught the hedgies when they weren't looking, okay? And there was no way for them to cover to begin with. The shares were all bought up, right? Okay, just so you know on that one. And yes, it was planned. Yes, it was planned. Squeezes are planned by a small group or an entity. It's just that it has to be, and the Volkswagen squeeze took a year plus, okay? They all take a year plus. It just has to work like that, because there's a whole bunch of things that have to line up. You guys know all that. I know I'm saying it over and over and over. It is what it is. Okay, sorry. I'm on a tablet. I don't know if that means that anything, if it's a new one. Oh, sorry, I didn't question. Thank you, Christopher. Oh, Christopher, why don't you guys have any fucking wrenches beside you? What's going on here? Sanjay got a wrench beside him? Oh, I know something happened. That section of the channel got erased. I did it by accident, and I had to relist you guys. I might have to do something. Do you guys got your moderators rights? Yeah, Sandy doesn't have a wrench either. I took your guys' tools away on you. No, it's not that. So that's what's something's going on there. Do you guys, one of the moderators, want to try seeing if any of the stuff like locking or kicking somebody off the channel, any of that stuff works? Just don't physically do it. Just left click it and see if it's the options are there. Do not kick Warren off a game, please. Time him out. He's been behaving himself today. Okay, back to Proud there. What's going on there, girl? Oh yeah, I played with the background the first time, missed the whole thing. Oh, what happened? I don't, sorry, I didn't, okay, I believe sorry, Proud, I didn't catch what you're talking about. It's, did you need anything or anything like that? I'm sorry. Give him the wrench. I don't know what, it should have been in there. It won't work. Oh no, like they gotta have the wrench, man. I just want to make sure that if they, what it was I'm adding another bot. Okay, I'm adding a computer bot in there with us for night time. I'm getting ready for the squeeze. Okay, and I'm not going to talk too much about it. You guys will be happy as hell. Okay, I'm not going to talk when the squeeze is happening. I do pretty much know. I'm not going to tell you guys though, because I don't do that, right? So don't worry. When I'm getting ready for something, you can get prepared. Okay, I'm not saying it's gonna be in the near future. I just seen some stuff happen in my own eyes that I just caught some shit. But I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want all of YouTube knowing about it. And not that I don't trust you guys. It's just some things you keep to yourself, right? And so what I'm doing is I got a computer bot there because we're going to have the channel running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on the other channel. And I want to test some software out first because I'm going to keep that chat bar running all the time. It's just going to be rocking, okay? And give him an axe. Bob, do you know Sanjay? Give him a fucking axe. Holy shit. But yeah, so the computer bot, sorry, just so you guys know, if you start seeing that the thing come up, it's called the Night Ninja bot. Oh, Proud. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Thank you. You didn't have to do that. Oh man, you're fucking dope. You guys are dope. Aaron. See a big smile on my face? No, it's around the same time frame. Okay, it's Jay. You guys know. I'll tell you right now the gist of it. It's just that I don't want to actually put a physical date because I don't roll like that. I don't have it nailed right to the friggin' date and the time. Okay, it's just that I know there's some weird shit happening that I've noticed before, and I just don't want to. Yeah, you guys will have a good year next year. Okay. I just don't want to mention it because, for one thing, I just don't want... You guys have been under enough bullshit, and fuck, if you wanted that shit, you can just go and click on 99% of the YouTube channels, okay? It is what it is, right? I just don't want to... Because if something changes, because things can change, I don't want to discourage you guys or fuck with your guys' minds, because you guys have... and ladies are doing really good. You're very grounded with the way you talk on here. The questions you ask, which I don't care any questions I'll answer, but education's power. But the way you guys would pulling the greed off the table, you guys are just like, fuck it, just, yeah, you blow me away. I learn a lot off you guys now, right? So it's pretty good, just the way, yeah. Okay. Yeah, not a problem. I do have an email. I'm going to type it over here. I'm going to go grab a drink, guys. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Proud. You're awesome. You guys are awesome. There you guys go. There you go. There's my email. I'll pin it up on the top. Replace it. There you go. Okay, I forgot to do something too, guys. I'm sorry. Computer's slow today. Your son's birthday is December 17th. Mine's the 15th. That's crazy. That's good. Right on. Saggy. Blink once for January. There you go. Twice for February. I'll do it again. And I don't blink that much, guys. Support my GoFundMe. Okay, my friends. I gotta go get a drink here. Yeah, I don't know. It's the laptop. It's the laptop. A little slow. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a minute here. Sanjay and Christopher, you got to take the floor over for a minute. I missed the blink. It was one of those. That many times. Okay. Holy shit. Almost broke the tab off. It was one blink, guys. Excuse me. Right on. You guys are awesome. 79. What's up, brother? Thanks, Christopher. Armane. No, it's not. It's not. I can't lie to you guys. It's not. But it's nice. Yeah. It is nice. My wife bought it for me. A long time ago, actually. Oh, right on. New NC State. Welcome to the channel, man. Kick back. If you drink, crack a drink and relax, man. Chill out. Excuse me. Okay. I'm just going to... Johnny, how you doing, brother? Glad to see Bradley. So I'm going to... I'm just going to blast up here, back up to the comments here. Make sure I didn't miss anything. What do you think about the ticket symbol MRK, the COVID pill? They have another COVID pill out? Fuck. I don't... The first COVID pill that came out, fucking awesome, man. I made a couple $100,000 on it. That's probably the most money I ever made is on that. And that was over $1.50 increments. Take that one and think about that one. That's what I said, a penny stock, it doesn't matter what it's worth. Like even when I was talking about Cardano, right? ADA ticker symbol, okay? Where it's at right now. Okay, it don't sit down like that long, okay? It's gonna do it if you do a pullback on it, and I'm I just love the way that stock moves. It fucking does this nice wave action. That's a money machine, man. That stock. It's I should say you have to do it at certain. I'm not talking holding it. Okay, I got to be very clear on that. Paper handing the shit out of it. Okay, I'm not talking at the end of the day cash it in. No, you got to watch it. That one, all I do is I actually don't watch it. Okay, I set my indicators, my alarms. Okay, so and they're all set ahead of time. So I just use it like verbatim. Boom, 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 boom. Just remember, in your margin account or in your account, you only can trade it 3 times a week. Okay, so the thing, it's safer than most of these other stocks. The reason why I'm saying that is because when it goes down, it only goes down like 30-40 cents. Okay, it's not going to drop like $5 on you. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a little safer for that. So if you don't catch, if it goes up, and then it say if you are just watching the market, because you have to remember it runs 24 hours, right? So what you do is, I love crypto. You make money 24 hours a day on it, right? If you do it correctly, okay. I'm not talking about buying and holding it for 10 years. Yes, I'm going to do that with it, but I'm using it for what it's for right now. That's what I use crypto for. Okay. It's a 24-hour money machine, right? It's just you got to have a good rhythm with it. You got to catch the rhythm, okay? Don't do it with Dogecoin. Please don't do it. It won't work. You have to catch a stock that has those waves, okay? So, the COVID pill, Arnica Taraz. Or whatever, I can't pronounce the ticker symbol. That one, as you guys all know, I made fucking large on that. I paper handed the shit out of that thing. We're talking $20,000, $50,000 chunks. Boom, boom, boom. Well, when you put that in there, but the problem is you got to have a system selling it because you get a lot of the returns. Can't execute order. So what you do is you got to get a friend doing it with you, or your wife or whatever, partner or a friend or something, and you have a couple different phones and tablets set up with your accounts and all activated. So you go boom, 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 and fucking get them. Sell. You all hit it and just keep on doing it. And you have a system. We're going to get into that. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay? We're going to do a little bit of, Cam, will you always be doing live when we sell? Yes, I am, John. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm not going to stay the full. I'm going to get back to Aaron on that. I'm going to look up that ticker symbol for a second here. Angel, hey, good afternoon. So what I wanted to say was about that. Yes, I'm going to be on for a majority of it. Because of social media, the way stock squeeze is different now. Okay. Because of social media, there's so much so much confusion across the market. It's not cut and dried anymore. What I mean by that is when this goes up, it's gonna go like this, right? And then it's gonna come down like this, and it's gonna go like this, and then it's gonna go like this, and then we're gonna usually getting out around here. Then it's gonna go like this for fucking a month or so, okay? And people waiting for this huge squeeze to happen that already happened. Okay, so that's what I mean. There's so much issues with the social media. There's so many personalities involved. All this clickbait, all this fucking misleading shit, and it's coming from people that don't even have fucking shares. That some of them don't even. They just hit this. Some of them were like game channels for like doing games and stuff like that, and all of a sudden, or you'll see the guy used to get into, he was doing race car motors, rebuilding race car motors before, and now he's a fucking stock expert on AMC. And you know what I mean? And has 100,000 subs and just puts out weird shit on there, and it is what it is. There's a lot. I'm not putting a name on it because there's like fucking tons of it. I can't put a name on it because there's too much of it. Okay, I'm not saying anything. I'm the best. cut that shit out because I'm not. Okay? It is what it is, right? I'm just telling you factual information on that. About the thing like this. That's that fucking greed thing pulling in, right? And people that just, the average person that doesn't know anything about stocks, which is fine if you don't, right? That's awesome you're on here learning and stuff. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that about the retail investors. It's not your fault. It's social media's fault. That's what I'm saying. I'm not talking about everybody. Like, you guys know what I'm talking about. So when I mean that it's going to go like this, it's going to have this big fucking thing. Where usually a squeeze goes like this. Goes up like this. If you look at all of them, down, and then it'll go like this, and it'll be over within a week and a half. Okay. This one's gonna, on the tail, it's gonna be a long time. Okay. It's gonna stay like around lower than GMEs right now. It'll stay around the $80 to $40 range for probably a month or so. Okay. I'm just telling you guys, giving you heads up on that. So it's changed. That's social media. That's because of these channels coming out there, $1 million and shit like that. It's a psychological mind fuck. Okay, so I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about you guys. You guys are good. You guys are good. You guys heard me enough to talk about it. I'm not trying to bust you guys down and say, oh man, this is about this. I'm not trying to get you guys to fucking sell out cheaper. None of that shit, right? It is what it is. I don't push the sell button for you guys. And yes, I will be doing my live sales. Like when I buy stocks live, right? There's not that many people that even do that, right? Because I don't give a shit. If I want to share my stuff, I will. I show you what's in my account, my trader's account all the time, right? When I lose, I'm down, when my portfolio drops, I'll be like, fuck, I lost 20 grand today, see? Which I haven't sold anything or anything like that. I'm just saying the way the market tanks. When the market goes down on my stocks, it affects, because I have a lot in stocks, right? And it is what it is, right? But the only way you lose money is when you sell. But sometimes you need to sell low and lose it just a little bit to make a lot more. They're called plays, right? But you guys know the gist. You've been on long enough, most of you. But anyways, I'm going to answer that one question. Not my channel, hello. Oh, do you have a channel there, bro? What's it called? We do support other channels, man. If you have like I've told you guys, maybe I haven't mentioned it enough. If you guys have a channel on here, like on YouTube, I'll go check it out. And if you're one of our subs, you got to be one of our subs, because respect for respect. And I can't just say on YouTube, because it's against all regulations. Oh man, you get 100 people on. For me, I'll go get 100 people for you. That'll get your channel shut down. So I'm just telling you, right? They'll shut it right the fuck down. Okay, that's against all YouTube. I'm not saying that. I'm talking about your content. If it's reasonable content, or you're just starting out, I'll show you some love too, right? All I'm saying is, when you click on my channel, I have it open on the bottom. It shows all the people I follow. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, sounds shillish, Cam. Right on. What did I say? What sounds shillish? What did I say? I was talking about so many things there. Okay, we'll always be left. Okay, Sanjay, you pick out Chopper yet? Can't wait to. Hey, I have to be a shill once in a while. And fun it. I have to. Is it? I'll go check it out, my friend. Not a problem. Not a problem, brother. Not a problem. I like to look at new stuff. Okay, I gotta go back up here to Aaron. I did not forget Aaron. I just want to get that out of the way, because I don't want to get sidetracked. I want to kind of stay. Yeah, right. You guys are like, fuck, he always goes sidetracked. Give me a shout, baby squeeze. Okay. Mark my word on it. Okay, my friends. Give me a minute here. Mark. Remark Holdings? Is that it, Aaron? Let's have a look here. Yeah, $1.50? $1.40, 48. That was a nice little go there. What's the? I just want to do a pullback here. Holy shit! Oh, you're just trying to. You're using an example. Is that what you're, Aaron? Yeah, if this is what you're talking about with the end, yeah, but more aggressive. Like we're talking, because you guys can see my cursor. It's gonna, yeah, see the top edge knife. Okay, I've done a lot of studying on this, and you guys know how I am, right? I fucking OCD on this shit. So yeah, it was 74. Yeah. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. Did it have? Just hang on. Okay, I want to use this as an example though. I found this just now. It was 74. I think I'm on the wrong one, bro. Just hang on. Pawn, how's it going, brother? Oh, it was 74. Fuck, this thing was up higher than that. Okay, I think we're on the... Aaron, I see MRK. Is it called Remark Holdings? There's about 5 things under that ticker symbol, bro. Because I wanted to see this. This is... On Robin. Ooh. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, guys, for an example, ladies and gentlemen, let's use this as an example. Okay, remember? Goes up like this. There's that knife edge on the top. Remember I said the first little bit that like hardly anybody gets on, and don't try to count on that. Like, don't even fucking get that out of your mind. You don't want that. You'll fucking fuck up your whole place. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll change it. But I just want to use this example because I came across this. See that knife edge on the top? That's what I was talking about. Don't even worry trying to get that. You'll fuck up your whole system. Just forget about that. This is where it comes down. It goes bloop, bloop. And this is what I'm talking about. This right here can be weeks, okay? But it's going to be more like this because of the social media now and there's so many people on it. Okay, I'm on it. I'm correcting it. M-A-R or M-A-M-R-K. Merc. This one. Okay. Thanks, brother. Oh yeah, $79. Yep. What's that right now? 73? Well, it's not. It didn't go down that much. Does it hold it? Usually stay about 70. Oh, fucking shoulder. I know, Sanjay. I know. I was fucking around. $72 volume, $52 at $91.52. The low, fuck, that thing holds its ground. Wow, through COVID and everything, it only dropped down that much. That's weird. Well, not weird, but like that's fucking. They must have something good about this company. Just hang on a second. And it's a health company. That's rare. Vaccines. Oh, is this a COVID pill? Oh, they're in everything, even animal health. Include human specimens and vaccines. Okay. Wow. Really solid company. Crazy. Right on. Thanks, brother, for bringing that up. Really, Jay? We've been feasting. Right on. I don't know, Aaron. I don't... where's the volume here? Just give me a second here. Just hang on, I'm looking for something here. I would have to go to if you really want me to look, yes, COVID pill, yeah, you can tell something's holding it. I do, Richard. I do, but it's not the numbers what you think, bro. It's not the numbers. It's gonna hit a level. resistance because there's going to be people holding. That's what I'm talking about. It's not that like it's not the play we want. Okay, it's the leftover shit. Okay, we're gonna have our time. What I'm saying is we're gonna have our time, where we're all out pretty much and all that. Our group, anyways, we'll fucking have our money. Okay, already in our accounts and all that. What I'm saying, it should be about a week, maybe a couple days. Okay, for 2 to 3 weeks afterwards, we're gonna see this where it's stuck in a valley and just bouncing around. It's gonna be going in increments of maybe $30 sweeps. Okay, and most likely that fucking buy button will not be there because they're not gonna want people swing trading this. Okay, because what will happen is they'll drain the whole market. Okay, everybody will liquidating everything, which they're already gonna be on a fire sale. They're going to be it would just drain everything and put it in AMC because they would fucking just pounding the shit out of it, making money. They're not going to let that happen. I'm almost 100% positive on that. So what I think is going to, Richard, that's a good question, my friend, so I can be more clear on it. Because sometimes I see stuff in my head and I think I mentioned it and I didn't. I do that sometimes. I'm just saying that the down like this, the crown on it, it's just going to be longer like this. It's just because we have a different type of trader and social media has changed. Did you guys, most of you weren't in around the beginning, but some were, okay? Which is, I'm not saying it's wrong or anything like that. It's just, it is what it is. Did you notice that there was a different type of outlook on AMC back in January, okay? Which is a reason why it has changed is because of how long we've been waiting for it. All this letdowns and misleading, it jades you a bit, right? It just gets you fucking little pissy about it, right? There's different types of people in on it, and just different takes on it, and just different theories and stuff like that has changed the whole thing. I don't know, it's a bad thing, but I'm just saying that it's just totally changed the thing. Richard, the buy button, they have legit reason to take it off this time, bro. And to everybody. Before, they didn't, okay? And that was a fuck up. That was just one or two companies, right? It was Webull and Robinhood. Webull, I think, was gone a couple hours or something like that. And actually, TD did it in Canada. I told you, I already got a settlement, out of court settlement, which I settled within about 2 hours on the phone. It only took me 2 hours to get a cash settlement in my account. I can't really discuss anything else about it because I signed a fucking disclosure order on it, okay? Because I'll just tell you the gist. I'm allowed to tell the gist of it, but I'm not going to tell you how and anything like that. I went to buy some AMC, and it was around the $14 place. I went to buy some before it went up, and it was gone. You weren't allowed to buy it, okay? And I snapshot. I did all the recording stuff like I tell you guys to do, and that's what saved me. They race shit on their end, or they'll say, well, we don't see anything here. And I said, oh, really? We'll go here. What's your email? I sent them. He was like, oh, okay. Well, we got to talk. So or else I'm going public, man. He goes, no. We'll resolve this today. There's a reason why I kind of didn't want to tell you that, guys, before about I forgot actually to that degree, but about recording. Like, it saved my ass. Okay. And I had a paper saying that I owned it. Right? But I couldn't prove that. I could prove I owned it, but I couldn't prove that I was trying to buy. But with that AZ screen recorder, it was filming me as a person pushing on this. It's fucking dope, dude. You can't dispute that, right? So that's what I'm saying. And with the buy button gone, they have a reason, and it's going to be not just one person doing it. It's going to be across the market. When I say across the market, Fidelity, all of them, Vanguard, TD, up here, Wealthsimple, it's going to be put out by the SEC, okay, and some other entities of the government that deal with that. It's going to be a fax memo going out or an email that they at a certain time they're going to take it off. Okay, and it's across everywhere. It's not just one company doing it because of the synthetic shares. It's fraud. So they have grounds to do that. Without having grounds to do that shit and they pull it off, it's a breaching our rights as a retail investor. Okay? the other way, I want them to take it off, okay, at the end of the squeeze. Fuck yeah, man. I agree on that. I want to get fucking paid, right? If they don't take it off, it's going to fuck everything. Then we're all going to be in lawsuits and they're not going to want to pay us. And oh, fuck, it's going to be a nightmare. I can put the name right here. They won't be taken off forever, my friends. It'll only be for when it's really versatile. Okay, and I can almost guarantee that they've already talked about it. Okay, why would they talk about it if they were not going to do it? So here it is right here. And don't get worried, guys. Don't get worried. It doesn't even affect you guys. It affects the fucking swing traders. And it's gonna, if people start swing trading it, it's gonna hurt us, because when they're selling at the end of the day, fucking selling it all, it's collapsed the stock. If you guys know, you guys been doing this long enough. Yeah, you guys should practice on this fucking recorder, guys. Do it. Record. Just do it on my channel. Just pull my channel up, or pull your bank account up, your trader's account, and try recording. Try doing a simulation of buying some stocks. Just don't execute the order. Just do it all there, and then talk too, because it does. It records your voice. That's an imprint. Okay, that's factual information in court. It's a fucking it's logged, right? Like that's so powerful in court, man. Okay, so let's do this. It's called AZ, and this is only on Android. Apple has their own recording device built into it. I was told. And I didn't get that much on my cash settlement with TD. I bought stocks with it. I did all right, but not like these other guys did, right? Because I didn't want to go through the courts and shit. No, don't hold through the buy button. I can't tell you what to do. I wouldn't. You'll be holding the bag. Why would I don't? No, buddy. I think you're misunderstanding me. No, sorry, but you're misunderstanding me. No, I'm not saying to hold. I can't tell you guys what to do on that end. What I'm saying is that you already have your stocks, right? The squeeze is happening. You sell. You can't buy that same. They're going to stop everybody across the market from rebuying, selling, buying, selling. If this thing's doing $400 to $800 sweeps, you sell at this, you sell high, it drops down $400 within like 10 minutes, an hour. You buy, it rips back up, you sell, buy, sell, buy. They're not going to allow that shit. That's what I'm saying. I would not recommend doing what you just said. But very clear. Education's powerful, my friend. Thank you for mentioning that, though. But yeah, I the only reason why is because of the synthetics. There you go, Aaron, and everybody else. They're not going to want us swing trading synthetic shares, man. Like, fuck, it's their fault because of the fraud shit in the first place, but they're not going to allow you. Every time you do that, you're committing as indictable counts of fraud, right? Like, it's fucked up. No, not a problem. Not a problem, V. I'm going to call you V because I don't know how to pronounce your Nugent, last name. Yeah, you guys should be doing your test runs now for your stuff. I did make a video on it. Proud, thank you for bringing that up. It's somewhere in there, and I don't even want. I don't know. I have so many fucking videos now. It's somewhere in the archives in there, and it's called. I can't even remember what it was called. But if you do want me to I should probably do, oh fuck. Maybe I should do a recap. Maybe I'll do a recap of everything. The 3 system selling feature that we have on our channel. The real one. Other tubers have watched our program and obviously, and they've switched it up. I know that that's the system we use. I'm going to actually put it out there, the correct way of doing it. And the 3 system selling feature, the screen recorder, because it has voice recognition software on it. Okay. And it actually records your screen and all that stuff. It has timestamps on everything. When you're selling your stock, don't be using a stock screener like Webull and selling on TD. You'll fuck yourself, okay? Watch the stock screener on the app that you bought the stocks through. Done. Or else you're gonna have issues, okay? With internet lag, with real market after hours, 15-minute delays. Even if it's saying it's real time, some of them are off a little bit. We're talking that this thing's gonna be so violent. Every half a second counts, okay? It's different than anything fucking... Like I said, when in a squeeze, you have your shit preloaded. Take this fucking screensaver shit off your phone. Take the lock buttons off where it locks your phone. You don't get that shit off your phone. What I'll do is make a video and reiterate all this stuff, okay? Our package, because we have a package that is pretty much set. I made the package with all this stuff in it. And it's only $200. You can purchase it on the front of the channel. And it's the whole package, everything. I'm joking. I'll do it in the next couple days. Havey, what's up? What's up, brother? Yeah, I'll put that out there for you guys, for sure. I'll probably do it. I'll do it next week sometime. And we're gonna have our classroom time too next week. We're gonna do a session on reading stock charts. A small one, a 10-minute, maybe 5-10 minute. So, anyways, guys, what's up? I'm just fucking with you guys. Anything else that you guys want to talk about at all? Any questions? Now is the time to ask. Okay, Aaron, I can see a massive short ladder attack on AMC in the hundreds before they get vaporized. Oh, fuck. You guys don't even know. You're going to trip right out. So, I feel sorry for the people that don't have a system, because there's a lot of... I know there's people, and I've actually, people have confronted me on it. I don't need you. Well, no, you probably don't need me, but you do need a plan. There's people going in it that, fuck, I don't need a plan. I'll just sell them all at once. Don't work like that. Don't work like that, especially when there's no shares for sale and there's problems. You don't think that these things are going to be jamming up and returning their orders that you sell a couple times back because of stupid shit. The lots are too big that you're trying to... I don't know. Most of you have traded. Have you ever tried selling 1,000 shares at once, or even 500 shares at once? Okay, or even a lot. Okay, majority of the time at that big, it depends on what time of the day you sell. You don't want to be selling your shares an hour. You want to be selling them an hour before the market closes. Okay, and trust me, it's easy to do. Have you ever got the message? Can't fulfill order. Returns it. Okay, you don't want that to happen when you're selling, okay? And no, you can't sue them for that, okay? You can't. So, yeah, I did, Paul, and I already talked about a little bit about crypto today. Yeah, it's gonna be in the new year, but we're getting closer. Good, Pawn. That's why we do the the blocks. That's why I would recommend, if you have a lot of shares, getting a family member together, getting a tablet, computer, and having all the shit set up with all the apps ready to go. Screen recorders on each one of them if you have to. And having some people have them synced to your style. Do some test runs, okay? This is something, if you only get one shot at this. Most people don't realize that. You guys do on my channel. You get one shot. That's it. One fucking shot. They're not going to give you don't get another chance. It's done. It's over. Okay? That's why if you're holding a bag and you're greedy and you're holding, I'm not going to talk about numbers. If you're holding for these big fucking numbers, you're going to be one upset person. Okay? While these other people are all well off, maybe not as well off as they wanted to be, but it's only one play. Okay? You got the rest of your fucking life. Okay? It is what it is. I'm not saying sell low. If you watch my videos, you guys know I'm still making $1 million or $2 million off my system, right? But I'm not making 10, okay? Because that fucking's not going to happen, okay? Unless it depends on your shares. And I'll disclose, I own 1,000 shares, right? And it is what it is, right? There you go, Aaron. There you go. That's beautiful. Look what Aaron just did. See how he broke it? But Aaron, I have a question for you. You've been trading for a while. Have you ever tried putting it through like 100 and it got rejected with the error code? I'm just curious. Just have a system set up, guys. That's all. A plan B and a C, and A, B, and C. I always have 3 plans for everything. Yeah, blocks at 3. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty smart, man. Yeah, you guys are good. You guys are gonna do good. I'm not worried about this channel at all. It's just that if you guys start having problems selling and stuff, I don't have time to help you guys. Okay, I'm doing my own thing. I'm gonna be very clear on that. I can help. That's where we have 2 moderators here. Once I cash out, I'll have time. Of course, I'll answer questions, but I'm not going to be doing research on the chat bar for you guys. For one thing, I don't know most of the fucking, like Fidelity. I can't have access to that shit. Okay. So, if you have questions on, like my orders won't fill, what do you do? Of course I'll help you and say, did you break it down into like a groups of 3 or something? Try that. I'll do that kind of stuff, but I'm not going to start researching stuff on YouTube, why this isn't happening and that. And if you're asking, should I sell now? I won't even answer your guys' questions on that. Okay. I can't. And you guys already know that. If you're asking any questions, should I sell now? How high is it going to go? Those are going to be not even answered, those questions. I don't have time for that stuff. Okay. You guys know I'm not allowed to talk about that stuff anyways. I'm doing my own stock plays. Like I'm concentrating on this is my business. This isn't fucking games for me, okay? I joke around all the time, but when I'm trading and doing stuff, I fare as very focused. Like I said, every second is potentially lots of money lost, right? See, I had to sell it in 50 bucks. See, there you go. See, Aaron, see what I'm saying, guys? If we didn't talk, so that's why I bring these things up to you guys, and you guys are just as good because you bring stuff up to me. A lot of people don't talk about this shit. Nobody does. I don't know any fucking other people that talk to this degree about stuff and plan it to this thing. You have to be fucking prepared for this shit, okay? And not just have one plan. This is something that, like I said, it's only happened once. You don't want to be one of those stories. Oh, if I did that, what if I, you know how many what if I videos are going to be on YouTube after this? Hey, buddy, big man speaks. What's up, brother? I'm not giving you guys shit. You guys know how I talk. I get hyper, right? But I love you guys. No, man. I do this just, the channel. I have fun doing this. What's funner for me is when you guys send me messages and when you make large money on some plays. Like, I know a lot of you don't like discussing your personal stuff, and I don't discuss your personal stuff either. But when I get those pictures of new vehicles and stuff like that, and at the car lot with the keys and stuff, and I see guys just bought $100,000 vehicle and just off a couple plays that we talked about, that makes me happy. I'm really happy. That's why I do this. It would be a surprise how many people make money every day off of what we do. Just sitting here talking about crypto plays and stuff. And a couple of them do mention it, but the average person, I advise them not to, because it just is what it is, right? Especially because some of them are right into some stocks, and then they do side plays and stuff, and they do it out of respect because they don't want to pull the people out of AMC. A lot of them, you know what I mean? If you start talking about, oh, I made this on other stocks, you're gonna get fucking people going over. It's just out of respect because they're so focused on AMC and they have so much respect, and it's respect for us too, as me too, not doing that on the channel, talking about certain shit like that. Yeah, Aaron. And the thing is, you can sell. Listen to this. You can sell blocks to 25 all at the same time. You can sell 500 shares all at once in blocks. Well, how many cell phones do you got? How many platforms do you got? Right? Just need a couple people. That's all. A couple people and just figure it out. Right? If you sell at the same time on two different things, it works. You can do that. It's called a smartphone. It can do that stuff. They're smart apps. No, Ryan. I wouldn't say. I don't know that. If I don't know that. No. That's not what I'm saying. But if that's what you're saying, they could. I don't know. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that it's just how the lot sizes go sometimes, because it has to be executed by a broker firm. Okay, there's and some you could be able to sell 100 here, and then say you go to an oil sector and you sell 100, it won't let you on there. But then you try 2 minutes later and it lets you. It's so fucked up. Don't even try to think about it, man. I'm just trying to have a plan. So if it starts, I wouldn't even fucking try fucking with an AMC. I'm just gonna do a boom, 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 and just do my shit. It is what it is. And then if it doesn't sell, but what Aaron says in those blocks, like 50 or 100, I don't think you're gonna have a problem. And if you have your two buddies there selling, and all of a sudden you guys are selling at like 80 lots or something, and oh fuck, it didn't go through. Okay, don't even try it on the other one. You don't get another error message. Just change it. We'll try 60. Tell your partner, and then all of a sudden you hit 60, and bam, oh that worked. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, that's all I'm saying. These are good questions, my friends. It's fucking beautiful. We're coming. This is the shit that we need to talk about. Okay. I know you don't like talking about this stuff sometimes, but it is what it is. Sanjay, how... Oh, it's 2 a.m. and it's 2 a.m., Sanjay? Oh, shit, I forgot about... Yeah, guys, if... We're going to stay on here for another hour, but we're not sticking on here for like 6 hours like last time. It is what it is. And I'll still answer some of your questions during the normal hours. Like, not a problem. It's not that, like, because we're on the weekend, we'll do that, right? Lloyd, what's up, brother? I have 1,000. You have the same amount of shares as me, brother. Yeah, that sounds good. It's gonna take the blocks at 1,000. See, I sell in blocks. I have my 3 system selling feature. Okay, 3 system selling feature, and then in that I do blocks, right? Like I'm gonna have two other people here selling, not in the same room as me while I'm doing my channel, in the other room, right? My door's gonna be open. I'm gonna have some friends. We've already done test runs on it. They helped me with my COVID pill actually, do it. And we just sit there, right? It is what it is. Sell. That's it. Done. Right. And this laptop probably won't be there. It'll be in the other room. And it'll be actually... Or no, it won't. No. This thing will be broadcasting to my 70-inch TV in the living room. Okay? So with my fucking TD on there, TD, my broker. So what it'll be doing is that laptop will probably be in there, hooked directly hardwired, because I don't want the delay of the Bluetooth shit, having to fucking up and shit. It'll be hardwired right to my 70-inch TV. So it is what it is. Let's sell. Let's make some money, right? So it is what it is. And there'll be boxes of pizza in there, beer in the fridge. That's how I roll. In here, and the wife will be bringing me supper and everything, because this is going to be, like I said, we're going to be here full time, okay? It is what it is. No pun. No, all my stuff, I don't do that shit. My stuff will all be sold by me. I've had issues with those orders, setting limits on stuff and setting the computer to do it. I've had stuff returned. Like I said, it's only a one shot. I want to actually physically sell my money and make my money. Right? I'm not trusting a computer to do it or a platform. It is that's up to you what you do. I can't tell you guys what to do. It's just that I limit everything manually. If I can do it, I would rather, if I could stand down at the stock market and execute paper orders, I would fucking be down there doing it myself with a bunch of friends. Trust me, I would. Forget about all this computer crap. But it don't work like that anymore. We're waiting for you, Lloyd. I'm a little late. Oh, it's all good, Lloyd. Were you working today, bro? Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, yeah. I'll be in lockdown. There'll be a sign on my door. I'll be taking the wires. I'll be taking my doorbell apart and pulling one of the wires off and putting it back on so you can't ring my doorbell. My house will be locked down, man. All my friends know what I do, right? It was like that with the COVID pill. You can, for 3 weeks, man. I swing traded the shit out of that for 3 weeks. And, yeah. Oh, did you, Jay? There you go. Do. Big Man AMC. What plays are y'all talking about? Oh, we're talking about AMC, my friend. Actually, we were talking about a couple different things. Aaron was earlier talking about the COVID pill. I made large. I made and it only went up $1, $1.25 increments, and I made over a couple $100,000 on this thing. Tarna Zaraz. That's the fucking COVID pill, the first one. I don't, financial advice, I can't do it. Don't fuck with that thing now. They're in major lawsuits. That's why it's collapsed. It's stuck at 80 cents, I think. Yeah, it is what it is. But that's what I said. I made videos on it before. You don't need a stock to go up like $20, $30 to make money on it. If it does the wave action shit, there's only certain stocks that do that. Okay, if they do this, and it's like Cardano, it's a fucking gold mine, money making machine, and it runs 24 hours a day. That's even better, right? And make sure you have the $25,000 in your account. And you can trade as many times as you want through the week. Okay, if you can afford it. But soon enough, you'll be able to afford it. Okay, do a couple plays and then. Market. Oh, are you asking me, Pawn? Market. I think you're asking me. Are you asking me, Pawn? Sorry, buddy. Oh man. Manjeet, how you doing? Red on, brothers and sisters. Oh, Manjeet, you're probably one of the ones that you should probably really think about this too. I don't know. Did you just get here, or were you just hanging out in the back room for a while? How long have you been on listening to me for? Because this is something that you should really think about, or like let it go through your brain and just think about it. Just because you've been on our channel for a while, and I just want you to listen to that. Why market versus limit? Like, I don't understand what your limit. Like, you're talking using your platform, your phone, and setting limits like on stuff. Like, say, hypothetically, we're going to use GME. How some people on GME put, like, when it was down at $80, they put 200. So when it hits 200, it just sells for you? Is that what you're talking about, my friend? Because that can be taken different ways. Oh, did you? No, shit. Lou is doing market as well, but he doesn't even own any shares, though. Now I'm confused. If you don't... Yeah, no, I know. I'm confused. That's why I'm asking Warren. I'm a little confused, too. That's why I'm asking him both. I don't understand what he's saying. Hi, CD. How's it going? How's it going, brother? That can be taken by different ways. That's why I got confused, too. That's why I'm trying to get it straightened out right now. Oh, Jay, dude, I can't help you with that, dude. I don't know. I don't do options, bro. I don't. Oh, fuck, I feel bad for you. I don't know. You'd be better than me at it, dude. I don't. I mean, okay, thanks, Pawn. When you guys prefer market, it's limit. So, Pawn, just because of writing, it can be taken, there's no different ways. Okay, I want to be crystal clear on this with you, and not that I'm saying you're explaining it wrong. I just want it for me. Okay, you're talking, on your apps, because they're all different brokers apps. Like, I'm Canadian, you have to remember that. The words in technology, the words on the broker apps are different, some of them, especially when you're doing options, okay? But we're not doing options, so that... Okay, when you're talking about, my shares, okay? It doesn't matter the amount, okay? You're saying that... at the price right now, what is it at? $40, 30 something. Okay. Say we're not even put it on now. Say when it starts going, I could even put them on there now, right? Just say that hypothetically, I'm going to use a different stock, and these prices are not what I'm selling at. Okay. I'm just using this just for a template to find out what we're talking about. Okay. Say first set of order, or say the first set out of my 1,000 or whatever, and that doesn't even matter how many shares I have. So say I want to sell my first whack of shares at a price, say, I don't know, we're not using AMC, say $300. We're just going to throw that out there, okay? Say there's a disclosed amount. I'm not going to say amount because it doesn't mean that doesn't mean anything. Say $300 is what I want. You're saying that I put in my broker, putting a tag on that $300. So if it fucking just touches that, it sells? Is that what you're saying? Limit? Is that what you're... Because it can be... Canadian and American is different when it comes to this stuff. The derogatory of the words, okay? I've noticed that before. So I just want to be crystal clear. Are you talking market where I actually do it? I sit there and just do it manually. Is just so we're crystal clear on this terminology, okay? It's nobody's fault. It's just the way it's... Canadian and American is different on the stock market, okay? Thank you, brother. Kim, no. I'm reading your thing. That's up to you guys, but fuck. Right on, Jamal. Right on. Manual selling or limit set. See, the terminology is different. You're saying market. It's not called market up here. It's called manual. See? That's what I'm trying to say, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, proud. Okay, Pawn, I understand it now. Because the terminology is totally different, Canadian and American. We don't call it that up here, okay? Market means manually selling, okay? It says manual or computer or CPU, okay? Limit. Okay, I wasn't I want to make crystal clear on this because you got to be, okay? So, I've had people have problems with limit, okay? And that's up to you guys. On that, it is what it is, right? Yeah, You can do whatever. I've just seen orders. I've heard of orders. I haven't seen it myself, but I've heard of orders, and I've seen it actually live once. My son did it. His order got rejected, and it was one of those computer orders, which is limit. See, there's Richard's nailing it. That's what I'm saying. It's up to you guys. Do you trust a computer for the rest of your life's wealth? That's up to you. I am manual on everything, guys. Or market, I guess you want to call it. So that's just the way I roll, right? Like, I've heard some big fucking problems happening with it. And especially with the bottom, setting the bottom bar, you know, not the high end, but the bottom. I've heard of people fucking, all of a sudden that the stock goes like this and taps it and then takes way off, sold everything, man. And it is what it is. And they were like, shit, I didn't even mean to do that. So, hey, Morales, how you doing? And that's up to you guys what you do. It's up to you. No, we're not selling early, guys. We do preps for this stuff. This is what friends do, right? This is what friends do. They talk about stuff, right? I treat you guys like my family, right? Or else, like, why should I even think about it from the average person, okay? Why should I even care about this shit? Why should I even care? Who cares? Who cares how much you guys make? As long as I make money. I want clickbait. Fuck, I'm just gonna make fucking videos on everything. Fucking crap. Just fuck it. Who cares? If it sounds good, I'll throw it out there. Fucking 2 million. Fucking hold. Yeah. Those guys that done that don't even own any shares themselves. They sold at 70. Almost everybody sold at 70 that has YouTube stuff. Okay. Notice nobody will show those shares on their channels. Okay. I'm just telling you right now that it's a fucked world out there. The thing is, why is I do that? I everything I do and when I'm where I have passion when I do stuff. And I made, like I said, this channel was not supposed to be over. It's supposed to be 20 members. Okay, it was for my family to communicate across the world when I'm doing stocks. Okay, because I said I was going to help my cousin out and shit and his family. Okay, and then all of a sudden, to be honest with you, I didn't know about the privacy thing. I thought that public, that public could comment, and it just went, and it went up like overnight, like hundreds of people. I'm holy shit. So I just left it open. People started making comments, and I made a couple friends, and it just left it, right? I did not have any intention into doing any of this stuff, right? And I didn't realize how much misleading information, how many people were losing money off these people and pumping and dumping shit. And I started having, I brought my own feelings and emotions into the market, okay? And I just gained some relationship with you guys. Are fucking cool people, man, right? And I learned a lot off of you guys, a lot, right? Especially with the American, Canadian, and the UK terminology. It's actually made me more well off in that aspect of money, knowledge, power, which is money, power. Knowledge is power, right? When I say power, I don't mean in the strength. I mean power. I can control things better. My emotions and feelings on the market. You've exposed some stuff that I never thought could happen. I never even thought about. You've opened my eyes up on some stuff. Same as I do for you. You do the same for me. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you that, guys. So yeah. Oh, Morales, don't apologize, man. Don't worry about it. Okay. So that's why it's even good that I don't talk about numbers. Like I'm not really, I don't want to get in shit. I don't want to get sued for one thing. And not that it fucking, it is what it is. It'd be pretty hard to sue me because I have disclaimers all over the place, but still, out of the respect just for the terminology, the YouTube regulations and laws, I don't even want to fucking go there, right? I just wanted to hang out with friends, right? So that's pretty much what it is. But the thing is yeah, it is what it is, right? So it is what it is. And one thing I always said, that don't let these subs get to your head. And in that way, I mean, don't let it alter the way you came into this at. Okay, and I very, very try to remind myself of that every time I get on here. Every time I fire that camera up, treat everybody as you would as your own family. Okay, don't let if the channel gets subbed because of the subs and people sometimes are just the way they think. Just let them have those opinions and thoughts. Right, that's up to them. What they take home at the end of the day. I believe in what I believe in. Okay, and it is what it is. Right. And that's what I stand behind. Nobody can change that, right? Yeah, and you guys got to remember that, as Sanjay nailed it too, the YouTubers, I'm not going to say the bigger one, pretty much all of them that are not in it and talk to you as I do, okay? You guys are not fucking retards, okay? If they have feelings and emotions to their voice and the way they talk to you, you know if somebody's real or not. It's the same as when you talk to somebody on the street. You know within fucking the first couple times of talking to somebody if they're real or not, right? That's up to you what you do, right? I'm not telling you to listen to any people. I'm just trying to tell you they are a CEO of their own business, of YouTube. They're creators, okay? Okay? There's fiction and nonfiction, okay? Creators. There's no rules for that on YouTube. Okay, that's all. You guys know it, right? Do what you think is right. That's the moral of this story. Okay, because they're running it like a business. Okay, if they put a good thing out there and they make a lot of clicks on it, even if they make no clicks, and just some people have like power of just being able to tell other people what to do. Right? You guys will pick up on that, right? So just be careful. That's all I say. And that's all I ask for you guys. Because I really don't give a shit, right? I do I'm not saying give a shit, but I don't really care. Like, it doesn't really affect me, right? I'm just telling you guys out for your best being, right? Just because I don't like seeing you guys hurt. A majority of you come over to the channel and explain personal stuff to me, which I'll never talk about. I'm just telling the gist of it, right? That were pretty sad and fucked up at some of the stuff I've heard of listening to other people and lost stuff, and it hasn't happened to all of us, right? And I hope it fucking doesn't. I was misled once, right? By buying stuff. I'm not going to mention anything about it. You know my stocks, and I got misled on something, and I'm down a little bit, but I'm recovered it 30 times over. I'm just saying that it doesn't change the factual information about that, okay? And I contacted the person and said something, and he fucking blocked me. Like, come on, really? So it is what it is. What am I selling at? Man, Jade, you've been on long. I can't talk about that on here. You'll know when it's live. I can't say, well, I'm going to sell at this, because it's speculation, right? It's not factual. When it's YouTube, I'll say, oh, I'm selling this, guys, and at this much. I can't get in shit for that. But if I'm coercing somebody into it, you already talked to me personally, Manjeet. I know, I'm just fucking with you, Manjeet. But no, you're selling it. Oh, yeah. So I don't know. That's up to you guys. There's certain things a lot of YouTubers are like, some people are like, well, fuck, all the other YouTubers talk about that, Cameron. Yeah, but that's them. This is me, right? It's all good. I know what you meant, Manjeet. I know what you meant. Pawn, that's awesome. Oh, Aaron. Oh, that's scary. Oh, it makes me sick when I read that. Those numbers? Holy. Not your numbers. His. There you go, Aaron. Manjeet and Richard. That's all I'm doing. Manjeet and Richard. There, that's all I'm doing. Okay? And after I sell, I'm going to stay on a couple more days, a day or two, and then it's done. Okay? Once it gets to where it's just doing this and tapping off the same numbers, it's done it like 6-7 times, it's not going any higher. And on that downslope, I'm just gonna do my dailies. Okay, it's not gonna be 24 hours a day with the channel running, me on here 7 hours. Okay, I'm not doing it like, I'm not saying as soon as I cash it, I'm gone. No, statistically, when I know that it's done, I'm not gonna be on here doing it because I have other plays I'm in. And yeah, you guys will be seeing the plays. I've always, when I buy shares, I bought shares the other day. I told you guys, and I did it live, right? Can I explain? Oh, okay, Ali from Bond is a great. He's a military guy. Pawn, has he showed you guys anything that is actual real information that he, I know he has some good ideas and theories, but some of it's been talked about before, which is fine. It's educating newer people. I don't have anything against that. How long has he been trading for? Okay. How long has his channel been up for? Okay. Where does he get his information from? What does he cover? Those are just questions that I always ask myself, right? Now, I don't have anything against. I don't even know the guy, man. I hear good stuff from you guys, so it is what it is, right? It still keeps me neutral. But some of the prices he's talking about kind of gets me. That's a red flag. Okay. Oh, fuck yeah, Richard. Yeah. Oh, buddy, yeah. 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 Because you guys have to remember, like, this is just one play. We got, like, pretty close to 10 plays on the tables after this. And for the rest of our lives. Like, I'll be doing this till I'm fucking oxygen tank or I die, right? You can do this in a bed and just fucking blinking your eyes to buy and sell to somebody, right? Well, the computers do that for you now. Okay, Michelle had a question. Can you explain a pump and dump? Like Prague. Prague it's set up for a pump and dump. Let's use Clove, okay? Let's use Clove, okay? Because it's really simple to see it. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you some. And that's a good question. Oh, hi, honey. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're awesome.
Is the other one empty or good?
I got a couple more.
Right.
Thank you, my love. So let's just pull up Clove and we'll have a look at that. And yeah, thank you for bringing that up. Yeah, we should. It's just good to see, right? It keeps you grounded. So, and Clove wasn't that big of a pump and dump. I've seen ones way worse. I'm trying to think what. It's enough to fuck ya, okay? Because it doesn't matter. Like I said, off of $1 can cost you fucking $300,000-$400,000 off a dollar sweep. Like, you can make some fucking good money on just small stocks, long as it has that consistent wave action. Not this shit where it goes boom, 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 boom. No, something that's predictable, like this, right? And you see it for like 52 weeks. Like, fuck, like, yeah. You got to look for that rhythm, the rhythm. Okay, Clove it is, Clover. Okay, let's have a look here. You call me? Oh, okay. So let's go to 1 hour. Let's do this. Is that the one? Yeah. There it is, right there. Okay, went $6 up to 28. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad there. So here's what I'm talking about. Okay, it started back in here. It started around, I don't have the dates here. I don't even need the fucking dates. It really started, it's a bunch of YouTubers, I'm not going to mention names, that started talking about it. When one or two of them started talking about it, it turned into a pack of people talking about it. Okay? And not just YouTube, we're talking Twitter. It just went fucking stupid on social media. Okay? It's social media's fault, bottom line. Okay? So what happens is, down here, people started talking about this thing because of the short interest and all that. Okay, it was in a position. They were talking about they were going to squeeze. It was a stock squeeze play. Okay, bottom line, that's how the talk started, right? It wasn't planned as a pump and dump at the time. They didn't know that. It's called that afterwards because that's what the finished product is. This thing's going to squeeze. This thing's going to fucking do this. It's going to squeeze, do this, right? So, and it's had a couple rips, so it had potential to make some money, right? So, in here, they started talking about this, getting it out there, pump and dump, squeeze, this thing's going to be rich, So anyways, people started putting money into it, right? It fucking kicked a bit. Holy shit, this thing will kick when we start putting money into it, okay? So then they started really talking about it. Oh man, if you're not in on this, YouTubers are pumping it, boom, 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 boom. And all of a sudden, it starts going up. Oh fuck, let's double down, right? Okay. The people that know about the stock and looked at the past and the credentials and numbers that are number guys, stayed the fuck away from it, okay? Or got ready to pull, okay? So that's where you can see right here. That's why it goes red right there. The majority of the people that pumped it dumped, okay? And then more, because there's two different sections that this thing went in, okay? It was a double pump and dump into one, okay? It wasn't just one pump and dump. It pumped and dumped within 1 day. It went up, down, up, down, up, down, and went boom, boom, and fucking. Then a whole whack of people went FOMO and bought in, but they bought in too late. After hours, sold everything on them. The institutions and that stuff sold. They sold everything, pretty much. Retail investors lost everything in 1 day. Okay. Potentially 1 day. So, Michelle, they're pumping it. It goes up. It goes, rips up. People have made some money. They sold, bought in. Goes crazy, okay? FOMO kicks in. Now there's like a fucking herd of people. That's all that's talked about is this thing, okay? It goes up. It rips. People made major money. Some didn't cash out, okay? You have to remember there's only 1 day here. It dumps first thing in the morning, and then it starts going back up again. It is really weird how it went. So what they did was the majority of the people bought back in, but they look at the time when this thing started ripping. They bought in. Okay, that's one time. Okay. The next day they sold, made really good money, right? They bought in again. You can't sell till the next week. Well, that next day it dumped all of it. You lost all your money. Or you're still holding to this day. That's called a pump and dump. Okay, it's highly illegal. It's fucking big time illegal, but it's hard to prove about it. Okay, and then a lot of people, the shitty thing is they won't tell you when nobody will tell you when they're selling. It is what it, or they'll lie and say, oh, I still got lots of money in there. I'm one of the people that got fucked. They're not, unless it's a friend of yours and you actually physically see it, because they don't want to be held accountable for fucking being part of it. Okay, and I know a lot of people are still holding money on them. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the people that were pumping it. Okay, so see that? Look, here you go. There's that open on market. So here's what I'm talking. See how it pumped up? That's pumped right to the max. Market open because they sold right in here, right? Market open, boom, gone, down. It went down almost half that first day. The next day, dumped the rest. And then it just, from then on, see how it holds. See that, but the stock is only worth $6 previous. Here's what I'm talking about with the AMC. This is what's going to happen. Okay, we're gonna sell all in here, right? Okay. This is AF, right here. These are the people waiting for the fucking $1 million, guys. $2,500,000 million. Okay, look how long this lasts for without this shit. It could have a couple little waves like that, but look at this. There's the $7 still. Okay, it could pump up like this. AMC could come a little pumps like that, but that's not a squeeze play. But look at this. It's still, what's it at right now? It's still at $4. How long ago was that pump and dump? That's what I'm saying. AMC will probably hold the $40, $50, $60 range for the longest time because people are still holding that. And I know some of you do. That's not what I'm saying. That's not the moral of the story. I'm talking about the statistics. And I feel for people that are stuck holding this. And I don't know if it'll go back up to that rate. Some people are just taking the losses and fuck it, take the capital gains loss and moved on. It is what it is. It was designed to screw retail investors. So there you go. There's a kind of a longer version of it. I just wanted to really get into it to explain for you guys. They're happening more and more. Yeah, they're happening almost every week. Okay, we're seeing it all over the place. That's why I'm going to start doing these videos, like I said, with pump and dumps. Okay, because I feel bad watching, because it's just hurting you guys. It does, because some people buy into stuff and make good money, but it only, you guys, I don't mean on the channel. It just hurts retail investors. Okay, so I have the capability of helping some people do it by just putting it out there that, hey, keep your eyes open, just be careful. That helps people. It opens their eyes up a little bit to double look at something. Okay, that's all. Not that I'm like the fucking man here. I'm not pulling that card. I'm just throwing, because I have the capability of putting it YouTube. I do have a channel and I can put that out there, right? To get it out there, just to say my 2 cents worth. That's all I'm saying, my friends. Okay. Anyways, cheers. Thanks, Michelle. Okay. Oh, is JP on here? Okay. I don't know. I haven't heard him. Like I said, I don't put anybody down unless I've actually watched their stuff, and I wouldn't. It is what it is. I'm not saying anything negative. I'm just saying that it's like $1 million. You don't want to be talking to people about that shit, man. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Will you all quit your job? You guys have good questions. I like I like this stuff that you talk. It's really good. Cool. Yeah, after this quiz, I can't wait to see your guys' stuff after you guys like buy some stuff, pay some debts off, and the stress is gone, right? There you go, Sanjay. See, some people made money. Yeah, it's not for... There you go, right? It's one of the rare statistics, though. Yes, Jay. Yes. That's exactly what we're strategizing, and it's just that when you get caught off guard, you only got one shot at. It's good to have like fucking the shit talked about, right? That's exactly what we do. That's right, my friend. Thanks for summing that up. That's exactly what we do. I should mention that more. That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing. And when I'm talking about, I'm not telling you guys. As you know, you guys are do your own thing, right? It's not. It doesn't affect me, right? Doesn't affect me. And if something goes sideways, I'm not going to ever sit there and go, I told you so. I never, ever do that. Okay? Ever. I would never kick somebody when they're down like that. If something goes sideways. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me. My dog does. I don't have a cat, but my dog does. Predictions? My dog's name's AMC. Franny AMC. Because of AMC, we got her. No, that's funny. That's fucking hilarious. No, I don't. It's the same as doing those videos that I used to do it with AMC, and I was pretty good at it there. But with the dark pool stuff, and there's so many fucking things that fuck up the data that's why, like, when I say that all indicators are off the table, that's why I don't use any of these fucking indicators anymore. They're misleading, right? They run off of data, right? And the data is not consistent. So travel is off the charts again? Oh, I didn't catch what you guys are talking about. But CVI, yeah, that one, yeah. You mentioned that there. I got it up on the chart, my friend. I got it on the chart. That's friggin' hilarious. You guys are awesome. Cheers. Cheers, man. Cheers to that, guys. Ladies. Just give me a sec. I'm just gonna woof, woof, woof. Excuse me. Oh, we're just messing around. Oh, yeah. Okay, proud. It's really can't get it up. Obviously, you have an Android or whatsoever. Okay, if you go, you know how you can go to the top screen and pull it down? Go to the top screen and hit pause, okay? Yeah, it's really good like that, so it can't bump off there and quit, okay? That's why I like it. There's only one way to turn it off. And then pause, that's it. That's it. I think there's a button for the stop. And then you can actually change it to where the file saves. You do want to save it to an SD card, guys. Fuck, I forgot to mention that. You don't want to save it to internal memory, because if something happens with your phone or that, you can't get the, say, down the road, and you're going to have to go into a class or anything that's weird action shit. You want to save it to an SD card, so if something happens with your phone, or save it to a cloud, you can take it away from your phone, okay, and transfer it. I know this because I've lost a lot of pictures and stuff like that. How? We don't know, Raphael. Nobody in the planet knows how high it's going to go. I can tell you it's not going to fucking $500 to $1 million. Hands down. If it goes to $1 million, I'll shut this fucking channel down. It won't. I already know that. We already did the statistics. There's not enough money in the whole world to cover it. Okay, out of every currency, we've done the math. I forget, it was like $8 trillion. It just won't. It doesn't, and that's without people buying it. So yeah, it is so far fetched. It just doesn't. It's just crazy. But it's okay. It's okay. Thing about YouTube, under the rules, you don't have to tell the truth. There's no, on anything. You're creating content, okay? That is a creator. You're allowed to make fiction, non-fiction. You're allowed to lie about stuff. You're allowed to do anything you want as long as it's not hurting somebody personally, okay? That's in the rules, right? Because that's creating. So that's up to you where you cut the boundaries. You have to think, YouTube is a business, right? You're a CEO for your own company. Yeah, Alina. Okay, right on. Okay, thank you for stopping by, Alina. You have a good night. Cheers. Thanks for stopping by. Proud, did you figure it out? Did that work, girl? Did that work for you? Yeah, but Raphael, that's why the three system selling feature to protect yourself. That's the only reason why I'm doing that. That's why I came up with that system, right? I had to think of a system to protect myself, not on YouTube. I'm talking about in the market, okay? I didn't have a good strategy, man. I was just flinging this shit, right? Sometimes I'd hit. It's like options, okay? Sometimes what the worst is the first time you do it, you fucking nail it, and then after that you nail it once in a while, then you start losing. So I had to, and then I did this three system selling feature. I started doing it like fucking last year before anybody on the fucking YouTube ever talked about it. I sat down and made that up. I'm thinking, how can I do this? It can't be even because even doesn't work out. It has to be an odd number, right? So and that's how it started. And my average is up to like 90+% on everything, right? So it is what it is. As long as you do your share recovery, then fuck it. If you lose, you lose, right? But it is what it is. Diamond balls. You work in the morning? Oh, Bradley, hey, I didn't even see you come in, brother. Oh, well, have a good night, my friend. Thanks for stopping in. Lemon water, does that count? Yes, it does. Yeah, good one. Oh, yes, I'm from Vancouver, Canada, or British Columbia, Canada. But I do have a place on Pluto. That's where I'm taking you guys on vacation. Chicago. Yeah, Raphael, yes. I would love that, man. Mm-hmm. For sure. I'm driving, Marty. Oh, wow, this channel's worldwide. That's why I wasn't joking when I said worldwide. We got people from all over the world on here. Like it's getting big, man. Like spread out. Yeah, we got people from almost every country. We got people from India all over, and almost every state too in the States. Majority it's from the States. The data shows the majority of it's from the States. I think 60%, something like that. Thanks, guys, for giving me some love. My data just came through for all the thumbs up on the channel. I just got a notification. Thanks for all the thumbs up tonight, guys. Makes me feel good. Thanks for all the love.
Flour.
Hmm?
Where's the flour?
Do you need that now? Okay, just hang on a second, guys.
Oh, no, I don't need it now. It's sitting on
Okay.
top of something. I'll get it tomorrow. I was going to do some baking.
We're gonna do some baking. I'll get you flour if you're doing baking. I'll get you some flour if you're doing some baking. Fuck yeah. Okay, hang on. Just give me a second.
If you can bring that out to the kitchen for me.
Yeah, I can do it. Just give me a second.
Okay.
big bag of flour. Holy shit. I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay. Oh, wow. I don't know what I did. I'm getting some fresh baking and everything tonight. Michelle, oh, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Williams, thank you. Thank you so much. And she's a good girl too. Proud? You should exchange your guys' digits. She's a good person. She's been on the channel for a long time. Aaron, would that be awesome if it was around my birthday, man? Fuck. That'd be awesome, dude. Oh, I love, the lobster and crab in Maine. Oh, man. That happened today? What? Whoa, okay, what's going on here? Raphael, have you heard today's hack? Bitmart? No. They got nailed? Bitmart is crypto, isn't it? I don't know that name. I'm assuming it is by the name, but... Maine is beautiful. It's fucking gorgeous there. Oh, proud! I didn't. Sorry, I did that. Did you get that screen recorder to stop for you? Taxes are killing me. I plan to move to Texas, Chicago. Why? How much are the taxes there? I'm curious. How much are the taxes there? Like for just ordinary taxes when you buy something. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. I'm just gonna jump over. I'm just gonna bounce on. I'm staying. I'm here. I'm gonna go spy on JP. I'm gonna jump on his prospecting channel right now. See, you gotta take these with you when you go on another channel, or else you'll fucking echo the shit out of them. Okay, guys. I'll be on both channels here. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna go say hi to JP. $11%? Same as here. Okay, I'll still be here, guys. If you hear another channel talking, I don't know if I can pause. I'm only going to be on there for a minute though. Whoa, whoa. Fuck. That's bright. Why isn't this working? It's supposed to darken it. Weird. Okay, JP. What's the channel called? JP Lawn. Oh, I got it right here. He's one of my subs. Oh, he is live too. Ha! Yeah, he's live. Holy fuck. Okay, here we go. I'm going into his bar right now. Just if you guys want to go to his channel, because he goes late at night. It's called JP Lawn and More. Here I go. Give him some thumbs up. I always do when I go to the channel. Always hit them up. Where's JP though? Am I messing up the voice on our channel? Hey guys, am I messing our channel up? Okay, thanks. Thank you, Proud. JP, I've streamed you over to my channel, bro. You got over fucking 3,000 people watching you right now. Joking. I'm joking. I don't have your whole channel on there. It's just I'm on both channels. I didn't want to put you on there. I can actually take this whole thing and put it onto my channel, but I'm not going to do that because of your subs on there. I don't know if they'd really respect that. I'm just going to be here for a couple minutes, guys. I'm sorry to cut you off. I'm just jumping in here. I just come over to show you some love, and I'm doing a podcast right now too. So I just wanted to come over and give you a cheers, guys, to my prospecting buddies. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna bounce out of here. I was just coming to say hi, guys, and you guys have a good night. Okay, over and out. Okay. Okay, there we go. I just wanted to say hi to him. Yeah, that worked out good, actually. Shit. He's got a good handful of people there. Excuse me. Angel, Texas. Yeah, Texas is. Yeah, I like Texas. Yeah, text is up. Yeah, it's nice there. Ooh, that's too bright. Gotta get that. Too bright for me, guys. Ugh, way too bright. Hopefully I'm not echoing. Hopefully I'm not echoing. Yeah, what's it? We got a bunch of us on here tonight. Looking good. Why is that so bright though? Whoa. Time is follows the money. Yeah, that's true. I don't care from Dallas. I don't care for Dallas. Dallas, Texas. I've never been there. Never been there. Fucking look at this chart here. I just want to see what Cardano's doing right now. Fuck, it's... Oh, that's so cheap. Damn. Fuck. Oh, man. Look at that. Fuck. Do. So what are you guys' plans for the weekend? For like for tomorrow? You guys got any big plans at all? Still early. Oh yes, it's late. Sanjay must have passed out. Oh yeah, I guess it's like 2-3 in the morning there, isn't it? In the UK. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off here in a couple minutes, guys, too. Oh yeah, proud, yeah. Oh fuck yeah, it's one of the first ones that's gonna go down. That's why crypto's going down pretty low. That's one of the signs I look for when the squeeze is gonna happen. Because all these hedge funds, oh, Sanjay's still away. It's still gonna go lower, guys. AMC's still going to have a down pull. But it won't go lower than $22 to $23. And then buckle your fucking seatbelt on. Hey, JP's back. Oh, fuck, right on. Oh, you're on there now? Are we live on your channel? We're live on JP's channel right now, guys. Right on, cool. Oh yeah, you can do that on that Stream Barn or whatever you guys use. Well, cheers to that, JP. I was gonna do it. I was gonna re-stream us, but I just didn't. I wanted to ask permission. I just wouldn't do that to your subs, right? Just because, right? Yeah, GP, we're just discussing about crypto right now. Are you going prospecting, JP, this tomorrow? Oh, just hang on a second, guys. JP, are you still on there broadcasting me? I got something to show you guys. Football tomorrow. Oh, okay, it is football. Yeah, it is football. Sunday football, yeah. I'm in Buffalo, man. I just plan to buy the dip tomorrow. There you go. Are you loading up on some Cardano? Or what do you, Raphael, what are you buying? I do Canadian watch. Do Canadians watch football? I don't, but a lot of people do. A lot of people do, for sure they do. And hockey is big time up here. Big time. It's our national. It's our sport, right? Hockey. Yeah, hockey is the main thing in Canada. You went today, brother? Cool. Right on. If you're still on there, JP, I got something. I'm going to show you something, guys. Sorry about this, a little bit off our topic, but I'm going to show you something for all the prospectors out there. This Canadian has his shit together. Check this out. I'm going to show you my little baby. Guys, you guys know what that is, don't you? Oh, my dog wants in here. Finnegan, no!
That's me. It was me with
Oh,
the fork.
I'm just busy.
I brought you dessert.
Thank you. Let's put it over here.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go fucking.
So, hey, guys, look at this.
Offer on, like.
I'm on. Friendly.
Come on.
So, this Gold Buddy 2. The Gold Buddy 2, this thing runs off of crystals, man. It detects gold, as you guys know. I can pick up nuggets this deep in the earth. This is, I think it's worth $1,000. This was my Christmas present from my wife from last year. Sorry, guys, a little bit off topic, but I just wanted to show you that, guys. I know we got prospectors on this channel, too. Soccer of the Ice, yep. One of my good buddies is Cam. My Boston beat your Canadians in Stanley Cup. Gee, that's awesome. I don't watch sports, man. I don't watch sports at all. I used to, but I've never been into sports that much. I just don't have time, and a lot of you are like, well, time, you make time, right? I just, I grew up with 90 bills. It's in my hobby I do. Yeah, I got gold nuggets all over this room. That's what I do. Because I live, if you know, in British Columbia, Canada, the Yukon, where we're from, there's gold all over the fucking place. You just got to go find it. Right on. You did some hunting today? Good, good. It's, oh. Right on, brother. My whole back is covered in red skin tattoos. Oh, cool, Warren. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. I know. I actually just talked to my wife. You know, guys know already my daughter's like fucking one of the best tattoo artists in probably fucking Canada, if not bigger. And I'm not just saying that because it's my daughter, but, yeah, she's known worldwide. She fucking makes like $400 an hour, man. Fuck, I wish I made that much money. But anyways, yeah, she's done. But what I was talking to her about, she's doing a wolf pack tattoo on my back. Because there's a 6-month waiting list, even for like anything. She's that booked up. 6-month waiting list, man. Hey, Lord. Hey, Brandon. What's up, guys? So anyways, I'm getting it on my back corner. The wolf pack tattoo under there. So yeah, my wife asked her. I told my wife the other day when I was talking about it, I went out there and asked her. I said, what do you think? Well, I guess she talked to my daughter, and yeah, I guess I'm going in there in a month. So it's my Christmas present. It's like a fucking $1,000 tattoo, if not, no more than that. It's 5 hours work probably there. A $2,000 tattoo. Right on. Well, everybody's passed through here tonight, man. Excuse me. Are you guys into baseball at all? I thought a lot of people in the States are into baseball. Well, I guess baseball and football, right? That's true, Aaron. Yes, we will. That's so fucking funny. It's true. Yep, we will. Anyways, guys, I got my. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be eating, and while I'm here, my wife just brought me in some fresh cooked bacon, and I'm not gonna let it sit there and get cold. Oh my God! Look at this. She made a crepe, fresh made crepe with blueberries in it, man. Look at that. Oh, that is so fucking nice. Look at that. Oh my God, that thing's fucking. Oh my God. Holy crap. My mouth is watering because I know what this is going to taste like. Oh, man. It only took my whole life to find her. Wow. That's nuts. Wow. Sorry, guys, I'm eating. I usually don't eat when I'm doing a podcast, but wow. Shit. Wow. Oh my God, that's good. Holy shit. That's good, man. Fuck. I had the munchies too. It's like I smoked a big fucking joint. Soccer. Or football, rugby. I love rugby. If it was anything, rugby is one of my favorites. Real rugby, though. When I'm saying real rugby, like some of the fucking, you guys know what I mean. Like none of this fucking hurting stuff. Like where you're smashing people and bones are breaking and shit like that. The real stuff. I used to play it in high school. What time is it here? Still early, guys. Well, it depends on where you are in the world. I'm going to jump off here in about 5 minutes, my friends. Just giving you a heads up. I told you I'm way longer than I thought I was going to be on this channel. I said we were only going to be on like a half an hour, 45 minutes today. But I've been having so much fun chatting with you guys. It's just I wanted to give you, I just wanted to give you guys, I promised that I would come on here on a weekend and just hang out with you guys. I was going to bring I wanted to bring a VIP on here, one of you guys, which is a VIP because as one of you guys, Tess was supposed to come on tonight, but like I said, he had something come up, which is fine. I totally respect that. Family comes first. It should, anyways, even in my eyes. It is what it is, but we'll try this again. So maybe next weekend we'll do something. I'll find out if one of you want to come on, just maybe Monday or whatever through the week. I'll be asking again. Maybe just tell me that you want to come on, and we can talk about whatever you want to talk about. But we'll be doing this again. Christmas is coming, and I got a whole bunch of Wolfpack merchandise, everything from cell phone cases to hats to everything you can get off of the merch channel. It's the same. They're pretty cool. There's some new stuff on there. Okay, so we're probably gonna have a giveaway. Okay, for some of the Wolfpack merchandise. So yeah, and then in Christmas Day, I'm probably gonna come on here for a bit, for about 10 minutes. Okay, Christmas Day, to wish you all Christmas, a good Christmas. Okay, and I just wanted to tell everybody, that I really appreciate you guys coming on here and hanging out and just talking about anything. Well, we do it anyways on just the channel. Who knows where it's going to take us, right? And I used to be, when I first started it, because you learn, right, as you come along, when you just started, because I've never done this shit before, right? Well, not stocks. I'm talking about creating on a YouTube channel. I never did that kind of shit before, but I used to be very grounded. Well, this is stocks. We're all talking to stocks. Don't talk about politics. Don't be talking about this stuff. In my head, right? I'm like, we got to stay focused. Every time I would divert off, I'd be that. But now, I don't fucking care. Whatever day it takes us to wherever it goes. Okay? Life is too short. It is what it is. And it's gotten way better. It's easier. Just the channel makes its own content. right? And I know you guys are cool with that. I know we get pass throughs. Where's the Ortex? Why aren't you talking about where all the indicators? What are you doing here? Those guys make me laugh when they pass through the channel. You're on the wrong channel, man. If you want to listen to it, if you want to go through all those diagrams that don't do nothing, they don't make you fucking money. They're not even accurate, right? If you want to fucking listen to some fucking guy draw circles on the screen and stuff like that, then go ahead, man. That's a waste of time. Yeah, you're gonna lose tomorrow. Colts are gonna lose tomorrow. Do you put money? Do you bet or anything on it? Like, because I know in the States you got those platforms where you can bet on stuff. Do you guys bet it on any of that stuff? Guarantee the Bears will lose. Hey, not a problem, guys. Hey, couldn't have done without you. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off here. I'm gonna go. You guys, when you get off here, go do something good for yourself. Okay? Anything. If you like food, go order some food or go for a drive and go some. If whatever you do that everybody has their own thing, go do it for yourself after you get off the channel. Promise me you're gonna do that. Okay? Do you know what I'm gonna do when I get off the channel? I'm gonna go give my wife a big hug. Grab both my dogs, give them a big hug. Because that's what means the most to me. Okay? Second best is you guys, and that's why I'm here. So, guys, go do that. Go do something good for yourself tonight, because guess what? You got to love yourself. Okay? I'm out of here. Peace. See you Monday morning. Love ya.